This is the Legion.
Seem like the ones you love be the ones that hurt you. So if you ain't family, fuck you. I don't need you in my circle. Yeah. And I don't need you in my circle. Yeah. Seem like the ones you love be the ones that hurt you. So if you ain't family, fuck you. I don't need you in my circle. Yeah. I don't need you in my circle. Yeah. Man, shout out to Dallas and Mo 3. I got some niggas that stabbed me in my back, twisted that bitch and they hurt me. Cause them was the niggas I killed for. Now I'm riding high, I'm in the nosebleed. Gripping the strap, riding dirt. You niggas killers, but niggas show me. Gotta show me something, I'm pissed off. Shit on my mind, I got get hoe. Same nigga claim that they love you. I run up on you for a zip, dog. Kill you over a bitch at the click roll. We done all Kelly and then pissed on. How you gon' die for that bitch, dog? How Michael Vick when you bitch niggas been soft, boy. I got murder on my mind, nigga, why you melon? Fuck a friend when I'm in this mood, I don't even want family name. It's how my fucking snap rhyme with the strap. God forgive me if I take a nigga cap. I get caught with this, they gon' send me back. Fucking shoot it out, might as well get the max. Seem like the ones you love be the ones that hurt you. So if you ain't family, fuck you. I don't need you in my circle. Yeah. And I don't need you in my circle. Yeah. Seem like the ones you love be the ones that hurt you. So if you ain't family, fuck you. I don't need you in my circle. Yeah. I don't need you in my circle. Yeah. And sometimes not even family. I got family when I'm dead broke, you won't come around me. That shit hurt my heart and shit. That shit on my baby. And I know my mama love me. She just don't even understand me. How do I feel alone here? Like I'm a million light years away from my family. I can cross the street, they right there. But I guess I'm just a loner. I drink it till I coma, but wake up and chase this check folk for my children. I be on it. Oh God, sometimes I feel hopeless like a penny with a hole in it. Then look at my junior highs and know I gotta go and get it. And I got a daughter on the way. This message for you, baby. Daddy loved you before you left it. Oh God. Seem like the ones you love be the ones that hurt you. So if you ain't family, fuck you. I don't need you in my circle. Yeah. And I don't need you in my circle. Yeah. Seem like the ones you love be the ones that hurt you. So if you ain't family, fuck you. I don't need you in my circle. Yeah. I don't need you in my circle. Yeah.